If you're tired of struggling with outdated mobility aids and want to upgrade to something more modern and efficient, it might be time to consider an electric wheelchair. Not only do they offer enhanced comfort and maneuverability, but they also come packed with advanced features to make your life easier. With so many options on the market, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. That's why in this video, I'll be going over the 6 best electric wheelchairs. Whether you're looking for something compact for urban use or a heavy-duty model for outdoor adventures, I've got the best options covered. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 6 is the Pride Jazzy Carbon Travel Light Power Chair. This is the best folding electric wheelchair you can find, offering an ideal solution for those who need a reliable, lightweight mobility aid. One of the standout features of the Jazzy Carbon is its portability. Weighing just 43.6 pounds, including the battery, this chair is easy to lift, transport, and store. Its carbon fiber frame is strong yet lightweight, and the foldable design ensures you can take it anywhere, even on airplanes. With a weight capacity of 300 pounds, this chair accommodates a wide range of users, providing accessibility without compromising on performance. The chair's powerful motor and lithium-ion battery delivers a range of up to 9.3 miles per charge, making it perfect for daily activities or shorter trips. With a maximum speed of 3.7 miles per hour and a tight turning radius of 24 inches, you can navigate through tight spaces and crowded areas with ease. The Jazzy Carbon is designed for smooth surfaces, ensuring a comfortable ride indoors or on even outdoor paths. Comfort is also prioritized, with a padded seat back, soft removable seat cushion, and user-friendly controls. While it has a fixed seat height and limited customization options, the chair's overall design offers a reliable, durable, and comfortable experience. If you're looking for a wheelchair that combines convenience, portability, and performance, it's the best choice. Number 5 is the Pride Jazzy 14 50 Heavy-Duty Power Chair. This is the highest weight capacity front-wheel drive power wheelchair, renowned for its ability to handle rough outdoor terrains with ease. With an impressive weight capacity of 600 pounds, it's designed specifically for larger individuals who require a reliable and durable mobility aid. This power chair is like a tank on wheels, built to withstand heavy loads and navigate various terrains smoothly, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Equipped with large 14-inch knobby tires and 9-inch rear caster wheels, it offers exceptional performance, effortlessly handling uneven surfaces like grass and gravel. Its tight 26.5-inch turning radius ensures that you can navigate through tight spaces with confidence. Despite its rugged build, it doesn't compromise on comfort. The plush, high-back seat, available in sizes up to 32 inches by 28 inches, and adjustable headrest ensure that you ride in comfort, while the large, heavy-duty footplate provides excellent support. It also boasts impressive performance with a top speed of 4.5 miles per hour and a range of up to 15.7 miles on a single battery charge, making it ideal for daily outings and activities. The VRS joystick is user-friendly and intuitive, giving you precise control over the wheelchair. With its heavy-duty construction, anti-tip wheels, and robust suspension system, it's a safe, stable, and dependable choice. If you're looking for a powerful and versatile power wheelchair that delivers on both comfort and performance, it's an excellent investment. Number 4 is the Pride Jazzy Air 2 Power Chair. This is one of the most versatile mid-wheel drive power wheelchairs available. It's perfect for anyone seeking a blend of comfort, adjustability, and easy maneuverability. Mid-wheel drive power wheelchairs are incredibly maneuverable, making them ideal for navigating tight spaces and corners, both indoors and outdoors. With its ability to turn on a dime and its compact design, this chair is especially well suited for those who need precise control in confined spaces. This power chair can accommodate users up to 300 pounds, providing a comfortable and secure ride. It is equipped with U1 batteries, offering a range of up to 16.8 miles per charge, ensuring that you have the freedom to go about your day without worrying about frequent recharges. Its top speed of 4 miles per hour is sufficient for everyday use, whether you're moving around the house or taking a trip to the store. It's designed for comfort, featuring adjustable seating options, including a high back or solid seat pan, and a reclining sport seat with depth adjustment. The armrests and headrests are fully adjustable, allowing you to customize the chair to your exact preferences. Additionally, the Active Track suspension system enhances stability across various terrains, ensuring a smooth ride even on uneven surfaces. The chair also includes important safety features, such as LED marker lights for improved visibility and its status as an FDA Class II medical device, which underscores its compliance with rigorous safety standards. With a wide range of color options and additional features like the enhanced lift function and versatile foot platform, this chair truly offers everything you need in a power wheelchair. And if you want to know the latest prices of the electric wheelchairs discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 3 is the Carmen Healthcare XO 505 Standing Power Wheelchair. This is one of the most premium options on our list, designed to offer unparalleled mobility and independence. Stand-up power chairs like this one are ideal for individuals who need assistance with movement, but also want to enjoy the health benefits of standing, such as improved circulation and reduced pressure sores. This chair is engineered with a powerful 6-wheel design and rear shock absorbers, ensuring that you can navigate various terrains with ease. Whether indoors or outdoors, the mid-wheel drive system and tight turning radius of 25 degrees make it highly maneuverable, even in confined spaces. This wheelchair is built for comfort and customization, with features like a fully adjustable seat, backrest, and power reclining and elevating leg rests. You can personalize your seating position to suit your preferences perfectly. The chair's full sit-to-stand power function is especially beneficial for enhancing reach and range of motion, allowing you to perform daily tasks more independently. Constructed with 60/61 T6 aircraft-grade aluminum, it promises durability and long-lasting performance, accommodating users weighing up to 250 pounds. The intuitive LCD control panel and joystick make controlling the wheelchair's functions simple and precise. You can enjoy a smooth and comfortable ride over distances up to 25 miles on a single charge thanks to the powerful hydraulic system. With its robust construction, advanced features, and exceptional comfort, it's a worthwhile investment for anyone seeking a high-quality power wheelchair. Number 2 is the Comigo IQ 8000 remote-controlled folding power wheelchair. This is the best value rear-wheel drive power wheelchair on our list. It's designed for those seeking superior mobility assistance. Rear-wheel drive power wheelchairs are known for their speed and excellent maneuverability, making them ideal for users who need a reliable and efficient mobility solution. This wheelchair is particularly notable for its lightweight and portable design. Weighing 55 pounds, including the battery, it's exceptionally easy to transport and store. It folds down in just a few seconds, allowing for hassle-free storage and travel, including airline flights. It supports users weighing up to 286 pounds with the 16-inch seat or up to 310 pounds with the 18-inch seat. Battery life and range are also strong points of this chair. Users have the option of 2 lithium-ion battery choices: the 12-amp-hour battery, which provides a range of up to 10 miles on a single charge, or the 20-amp-hour battery, which extends the range to up to 17 miles. Both battery options require 6 to 8 hours to fully charge. The wheelchair can achieve a maximum speed of 4 miles per hour and boasts a turning radius of 47 inches, ensuring good maneuverability in various settings. Comfort is a significant feature of this wheelchair, with a seat that includes memory foam and additional shock absorbers. Users also have the option to add a reclining feature. Customization is extensive, with various frame and cushion color choices and seat widths of either 16 or 18 inches. This chair is designed to handle multiple terrains, including grass, ramps, and gentle slopes, although it performs best on flat surfaces. Ease of control is enhanced with both joystick and remote control operation options, offering flexibility for users and caregivers. The wheelchair's build quality is robust and constructed from durable materials, though its longevity is influenced by proper use and maintenance. Overall, it's a top choice for those seeking a high-quality, versatile mobility solution. Number 1 is the Golden Technologies Lightrider Envy GP162 Power Chair. This is the overall best chair on our list and is an excellent choice for those in need of a compact, portable electric wheelchair. Renowned for its overall balance of style, functionality, and convenience, this power chair excels in environments where maneuverability and ease of transport are essential. This chair features a weight capacity of 300 pounds and is powered by two 22-amp-hour batteries, providing a driving range of up to 15.5 miles per charge. With a top speed of 3.5 miles per hour, it's well suited for indoor use and outdoor travel. Its compact size and tight turning radius of 28.5 inches ensure exceptional maneuverability, allowing users to navigate corners and tight spaces with ease. Portability is a key highlight of this model, as it boasts a disassemblable design with the heaviest piece weighing only 37 pounds. This makes it highly transportable and easy to store. The chair offers a comfortable stadium-style seat, available in 17 or 20-inch sizes, and features a large footplate for added comfort, although it has limited adjustability compared to larger power chairs. While this chair is primarily designed for indoor use, it is not recommended for outdoor use or uneven surfaces. The chair's turning radius of 28.5 inches further enhances its indoor maneuverability. Control is straightforward with a user-friendly controller mounted on the right armrest, available in both standard and traditional styles. Durability is another strength of the Lightrider NVGP 162, with its tubular frame design contributing to its sturdy construction. It has a total weight, including batteries, of 123 pounds, and features a rear anti-tip wheel system for added stability. The chair is available in a variety of colors, including red, blue, green, orange, yellow, and silver, allowing users to choose according to their personal style. Plus, it offers a unique underseat storage basket and a ground clearance of 2.5 inches. Overall, it's the best option for those who want to have all the features in one chair. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect electric wheelchair much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. And be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.